In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Trello to QuickBooks. So that's actually quite easy and you can do it via Zapier. You want to type into Google connect Trello to QuickBooks and then it will automatically show up the first page, which is connect QuickBooks Online to Trello. It's an easy integration inside Zapier. So make sure the website is zapier.com and you want to click on it and it will automatically display you this integration. You want to click connect for free. And then you will have to either sign up or log into your account. So you have to put in your work email, first name and last name to get started free, or you can also sign up with Google. So I'm going to sign up with Google because it's quicker, but you can do this as well because it also works the exact same way. So if you press Google, you want to select your account and then you want to press continue. And then in here, as you can see, your integration is already created and it says QuickBooks Online into Trello, okay? And what you then have to do to connect these two is to simply select a trigger event inside QuickBooks. So you click over here, select choose an event, and then let's say you want to create one for new customer, and then you want to, of course, connect your QuickBooks account. So you want to click over here. It will take you to a page where you have to basically allow Zapier to access your QuickBooks Online account. As you can see, you can select production or sandbox. So most people should choose the default, which is production. And then you want to click yes, continue to QuickBooks Online. And once that's done, you will then have to log in to your QuickBooks account. That's the first part. The second one is to do the exact same thing with Trello. So what's the action event? This is the trigger event, and this event is what will trigger the action event, okay? And the action event, in this case, let's say, should be add attachment to card. And then you want to connect the account over here as well. So click on this, and it will take you to Zapier. You will then have to click login, and then you will have to log in with your Trello account. So that's pretty much it. That's how you connect Trello to QuickBooks, and you can select all the action and trigger events as you would like, and you can then also configure and test this if it works, and that's it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.